Hey, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Mike, and today we're going to talk about being salty. Sometimes, as we look at Scripture, we find words that identify who we are. They tell us why we're here. Today, we're in Matthew chapter 5, verse number 13. It's the red letters, meaning Jesus is speaking. It's the Sermon on the Mount, and this is what he says. You are the salt of the earth. What good is salt if it's lost its flavor? Can you make it salty again? It'll be thrown out and trampled underfoot as useless. See, this passage from the Bible, it's a metaphor. Salt was a common good in the days of Jesus, and he wanted to explain a teaching point in a way that everyone could widely understand him. So when he said salt, they knew exactly what he was talking about. When you and I, when we read the word salt, even in modern times, we know exactly what Jesus is talking about. When I hear the word salt, I don't know what you think about, but I think about how it's used to bring flavor to a meal. I also think about how it's used to preserve things, preserve foods. So how does this relate to us? How do we unpack this metaphor in Matthew chapter 5? What does it mean for you and I? When Jesus says, you are the salt of the earth, he's given instruction. He's letting us take a look at why you and I are here on this earth and what we are supposed to be doing. See, for many years, salt was used as an ingredient to reduce corruption of food, to preserve it. So it would be savory and edible for a longer period of time. See, as followers of Jesus, we're literal salt to this earth. We are here through our living, through our good works, through our attitudes, through our perspectives, to be a spiritual enhancement to this world. Check it out. We should live lives in a way that reduce the moral and spiritual decay of our time. We should bring flavor and boldness and vibrance to the world around us. As the salt of the earth Jesus spoke about, we get to be on mission with Jesus Christ in his kingdom to bring life to this world and to the people and the lives around us. You see, if we forget that we're on a salty mission, we miss the point of being on this earth. As it says in this verse, if salt loses its flavor, it's just useless. The job of the salt is flavor. Our job on this earth is to be the person that boldly shares the gospel, the story of Jesus with those around us. Maybe you woke up today. Maybe you started thinking about money. Maybe you started thinking about the next experience or vacation you're going to get in your life. Maybe you thought about the next house upgrade that you're going to work on. Maybe your spirit is constantly mulling over having more wealth or more health or more fame. Let me give you a reminder today. You are salt. Be salt today. Be more salty. Today, go and bring some flavor to the world around you. Bring the life of Jesus to those around you. Be a spiritual preservative to a decaying world full of brokenness, full of sin. You are the salt of the earth. Go live and love like Jesus today. Thanks for tuning in.